making groove, baby? What's making that sound?
Hello, I'm Cameron, and some of you may have seen me here, or maybe playing live on a Groove Baby show. Today, we are looking at this instrument. Which I play quite a lot. This instrument is an organ, which you might have heard here, or here,
Ain't sing, but I can dance. Ain't God all right?
or maybe here. This is a Hammond organ, which is often heard in gospel, soul, blues, and jazz music. It has two keyboards, and down here is a pedal board, which is like a giant keyboard that I play with my feet.
What are all those sticks and buttons at the top?
These let me change the sound of the organ. It can be kind of soft and warm. It can be sort of plinky plonky like this. It can be sort of sizzling like this. Or it can even be a bit shouty like this.
How do you make the sound go loud and soft?
I use this pedal with my foot to make the volume go up or down. Up, down.
How does it make the wah 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 sound?
That is a great question. That sound is actually made by the speaker the organ is plugged into. Now I can't show you mine because it's all hidden inside a box, but here's a clip of what it looks like when the speaker is spinning around.
Did you know that the Hammond organ was invented for new churches that couldn't afford big pipe organs?
I did not know that. Thank you for telling me that.
So that is a Hammond organ. Thank you for showing us what's making that sound.
Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.
Bye. Fun fact. Before inventing his organ in 1935, did Lorenz Hammond make A. Clocks, B. Robots, C. Microwave ovens? The answer is A. Clocks.